Hi guys, welcome! Take some time to subscribe and click on the notification bell icon to see our future content as soon as it's uploaded. Give us a like and enjoy the video. Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today we are unboxing and taking a first look at one PC component that is rarely ever featured on any tech channel. We are going to say a few words about Arctic Cooling's F12 PC case fans. So let's start with the packaging. The box is a simple dark blue cardboard affair with the image of the fan and warranty information in the front. Left side contains basic fan information, bottom side has product information with a link to the website where you can check the warranty details. Right hand side has also some basic fan information in a few different languages. But the back side is where all the fun is. Here you can see the schematics showing the details and the information about the fan bearings and the airflow tool. Under it there is a table containing all of the fan technical details. Let's proceed to open up the box. First thing you can see once you open up the box is the black plastic frame. This was a tight fit, so we had to basically shake it out of the box, as this was a fast and unplanned unboxing. First thing that we noticed when we took out the fan is the build quality. There's literally no creaking nor any unusual noise when handling the fan. The detail we like the most is the contrast between the black frame and the white fan blades. The fan has a plastic cable that terminates with a 3-pin connector. There is no PWM control, but it doesn't need it as the fan is so quiet anyways. The case fan screws are included as well. They are packed in a small plastic bag. We got a pair of these fans as we are going to install them in the case. One of the fans will be the intake fan and the other will be the exhaust fan. We are going to unbox the second one as well, just to show the set to you guys. Tell us down in the comment section below what fans do you use in your system and how many you got. If you liked the video, toss us a like, share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See ya in the next one. Zenbox out.